Dear all, I am Dr. Dhananjay. So now morning I told you about the 10 stocks, and all these 10 stocks I told you I emphasize about the power stocks. Already you just see Power Finance Corporation, it's already up by 4 rupees from 148 to 152 already. And like that you note down all the other stocks also. REC also flaring up, all stocks are that will be going up. And now I just wanted to tell you something about what I told you last week. Just recollect. I told you mainly about a few stocks. Just remember Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda, I told you in the last week video that when it was 87 or 88, I told you now it has crossed. It is already up by more than 5%, 6%. So it has crossed 92 now. Okay. So you know the market lot and you can make millions because if you follow it. Like the other one I told you about the City Union Bank, CUB. And of course, I have told many times about the Bata. Bata, because you know when I recommended Bata when it was 1,800, now it has already crossed 2,000, it has neared 2,200. It is more than 20% profit. Manappuram I recommended when it was 179.55. Okay, it has already crossed 195 already. Today also it has crossed. It has because the momentum is still continuing in spite of more than 10 days. Bata is also like that only. Okay, and today also morning I told you about the PFC. PFC today it is a momentum stock. It has already crossed the month high, and because it is happening. And Siemens, of course, many stocks just like that, because you just remember the Motherson also what I told you. Motherson continuously it's also uptrend. Today morning itself VEDL I told you, another one Vedanta today morning it's a gap up stock. Have you anyone have seen it? Because morning itself it has gone up by 5%. And of course Federal Bank I told you last week itself, Federal. You just remember. And anyway, because many of you made the profit, I am happy. And all these are F&O stocks, because you can enter you can buy a call option, you can have the bull call spread. Need not be because overconfident. Always have the bull call spread by buying the at the money call and selling out of money call. I told you. That's why I always emphasize about the buying F&O stocks, because you can hedge and you can relax. Because I know that once if it is continuing, that's what I told you. Even Friday also I told you about the L&T. You just wait and see. Because L&T, because it will come up slowly, one by one, it will be coming up before 3:30. So now, usually I used to talk about the outside bar stocks. This is my trump card. You see, outside bar stocks is the one stock because which is 100%, because I know, because I used to tell all my classes. Outside bar, you have to identify the outside bar stocks today itself. And you have to play, you have to wait tomorrow morning till I told you, because that's what I told even last week also. You just see outside bar every day I am emphasizing about the outside bar. Even the previous session there are about because you need not see all the 3,000 stocks. There are about 10 to 15 outside bar stocks every day. And for example, because I'll tell you, because already I identified 7 outside bar stocks for tomorrow. That I'll tell you at the end of the session. Now what had happened the last session, there are about 15, 16 outside bar stocks. Out of that 16 itself I told you to put on the screen. Now what had happened that you just tell you, I'll tell you even F&O stocks itself I'll tell you what had happened. You see Apollo Hospitals. Okay, Apollo Hospital, just you see, because what had happened today morning, Apollo Hospital opened up. You see the opening and the high figure are one and the same. That is Apollo Hospital opened at 4,449, and even the high price is also same, because both it's a inverted hammer. It's a hammer, okay, it's a hammer actually. So it has fallen down. It's an open high. So it has fallen down to, it is 4,332, because it has fallen by more than 100 rupees. And still it has not, I am sure that you know, it will not come back. Now you take it from me. Now the market is only 1140. You wait till 3:30. This secret you have to identify, because you have to understand sometimes. Apollo Hospital will never touch today high, that is 4,449. It's a challenge. You just, because this is what I want to tell you. Because this a big thing is involved in Apollo Hospital and as well as Dabur. Dabur is another stock. Same thing happened. You just see Dabur also. Now Dabur also, you see Dabur today the high is 632. The opening figure is 632. The high figure is high price also 632. Just a simple hammer only. So what had happened? This is also an outside bar stock like Apollo Hospital. This had happened, and what it has from 632, it has fallen to 616.45. Again, one more secret I reveal in Dabur. This will never come back before 330. Do you think it will come back and hit 632 again before 332? I am sure that 99.99%, even because 0.01%, I leave it to God. Because it will never happen. Because there is another thing in these two stocks. What I want to tell you, I will tell you, please note down, because nothing wrong. If you are capable of identifying, it's well and good. Otherwise, I am here to support you. This Apollo Hospital, Dabur, as well as this Dalmia Bharat and Pfizer, all are outside bar stocks only, because just you can take it from me. And moreover, there are many other stocks like Polymed, Chola Holding, and even Dhanuka Agri, all are only outside bar stocks. But first four I told you, it's in the F&O. So I told you, even just by seeing that, you can buy a bear call spread or buying a put option, because if as soon as you see that, if we enter it, because it will go up, it will go down by at least 1 to 2, minimum 2% usually. What had happened in Apollo, you see, and what had happened in Dabur, because it's at least minimum 2% it will be going. If you are capable of identifying the stock and entering before actually before 925, 930, I am sure that even then also 1% is still there. And you see, even for example, you see the Pfizer also. Pfizer also crashed from 5580 is open price as well as the high price. From there it has crashed to 5487, nearly 100 rupees it has fallen. Dalmia Bharat, another stock. Dalmia Bharat also has fallen from 2088 to 2057. But my preference goes for Apollo Hospital and Dabur. Why, you know, these two stocks actually, it is not only outside bar stocks, but today morning what had happened is both are gap up stocks. You just see, my dear friends, this is what you have to observe, because it's, of course, it's not an easy joke. I am identifying with the software, so because it is easy for me to identify, whereas you people have to understand, and then first you have to see what is an outside bar, then you have to identify whether it's a gap up stock or gap down stock, whether it's a open high or open low. All these things you have to understand. This is what my trump card in my class, because I used to talk about this only, because this 100% you can make profit, shoot short profit. I am telling you about the Dabur and Apollo Hospital will not reverse, because that's why I am telling you, because mostly it is because when the people are playing, then you should know that, because you should know where, how it's falling and whether it will have the capacity to go back, all those things. Dabur is also same thing. Dabur is also outside bar, plus outside bar on Thursday, okay, last trading session. Today morning it is open high, not only open high, it is a gap up stock. Even before 9:15 itself, I can identify, by 9:08 itself, I can see whether it is both Apollo Hospital and Dabur are open high. That is this one also gap up. So all the three together, you cannot miss it. You see, you can make millions only by doing also all sorts of things. So you see where exactly all these are falling. Now why I am revealing this video before now itself, before around 11:30, you just go through that. Okay, now you have to understand slowly, because you see this requires a lot of patience, and as well as because you have to slowly understand. It's not a one day affair, because you have to slowly learn things. Then otherwise, because all my paid subscribers are getting this then and there, because that time itself. So because for others, I am revealing that, because if you are capable of getting it, it's well and good. Otherwise, you call me, you contact me, you become my paid subscriber, I will be revealing everything. Okay, so now I tell you, now for tomorrow also, now the time is only 11:40. Tomorrow itself I already identified F&O stocks, 7 F&O stocks. Okay, this 7 F&O stocks actually, now I tell you, you please note down. Now I give it, tomorrow you will see. Tomorrow morning what's going to happen, you please note down. I'll tell you, please note down the 7 F&O outside bar stocks for tomorrow. One is Maruti. Maruti is an outside bar already today itself. Then second one is Britannia. Third one is MRF. Fourth one is Sun Pharma. Fifth one is Jubilant Food. Sixth one is India Mart. And the seventh one is BEL. Okay, not BHEL, BEL, Bharat Electronics. Okay, these 7 stocks already became outside bar today itself, morning within the last 2 hours. Now these 7 stocks, right now I am revealing it. You just keep these 7 stocks for tomorrow morning in the screen. Today evening itself you put it in the screen, and then see if any outside, because you see if there is a open high, because then it is it's a candidate for selling. If it is a open low, it has a candidate for buy. But 100% you can, because it's a jackpot call, I used to say, like Apollo Hospital and Dabur. What you have to see is, this is, you have to see whether it is a gap up also coming or gap down also coming. Because if it is happening like today, it's happened in Apollo Hospital and Dabur. If it is going to happen tomorrow, you just note down, then that is the stock you have to buy. If it is a gap up, if it is a gap up plus outside bar plus open high same, then it is a candidate for selling. If it is a candidate for buying, is outside bar plus gap down plus open low. Okay, if it is, that's a candidate for buying. Okay friends, I'll come back to you later. I'll reveal more outside bar stocks later on. Okay, anyway, just see, learn bit by bit. You cannot become a master by overnight. Rome is not built in a day. And okay, you call me if you want to become a subscriber. At least you subscribe my channel first. You try to learn things, then we'll see where it goes. Thank you.